In the previous video, we discussed the 7 big waves that CRM software has witnessed so far in its history. I also implied that there's a pattern here. Every time a new technology wave emerges, it makes it possible for startups to build new CRM software with new capabilities, which creates a new wave of CRM software. So, continuing our discussion, what will be the 8th wave of CRM software? The answer will depend upon which emerging technology wavelet today will become the next big technology wave in the world. And there are many contenders for that. The first is mobile. Smartphones have been the fastest adopted consumer technology in the history of mankind. It's been less than 15 years since the invention of smartphones, and more than 80% of people in the world have a smartphone today. For a salesperson in the field, this should mean instant access to all customer records at any time and should make their job easier. However, most incumbent CRM vendors have been slow to adapt to mobile. Therefore, even at large companies that can afford software easily, a mobile CRM that salespeople love is not a universally solved problem. Another nearby wavelet is the rapid consumer adoption of chat apps like WeChat, WhatsApp, Line, and Messenger in tandem with mobile adoption. This has meant that sales teams now need to communicate with their customers over these chat apps. And this has opened up an opportunity for new CRM software to emerge that specializes in communication over chat apps. Thousands of startups have been founded to target the mobile CRM and chat app CRM wavelets. Next, natural language processing, or NLP. It has recently witnessed incredible advances. Large language models like GPT-3 respond to questions with such finesse that it is nearly impossible to figure out if the response is coming from a human or a machine. For a business, this means that many sales processes that are currently being handled by humans will, in the future, be handled completely by software. This wavelet is well underway, and billions of dollars have been invested in chatbots that can help businesses sell without the need for a salesperson. Speech recognition and speech synthesis are also rapidly swelling wavelets. With the discovery of transformer models in 2017, neural networks are now able to convert speech to text and text to speech at almost human-level quality. For businesses, this means that many traditional sales tasks, like booking an appointment for a customer on the phone, can now be handled entirely by software. CRMs built with the assumption that software can handle speech perfectly will unlock new possibilities for businesses compared to the current incumbent CRMs. Artificial intelligence, in general, is an emerging wave that will make it easier for businesses to automatically segment their customers, prioritize communication to those who are most likely to convert, and customize messaging through their CRM in a way that is just not possible currently. We are still scratching at the surface of all that is possible with AI. And AI is an umbrella term for dozens of different wavelets. So it is likely that hundreds of billion-dollar companies will be created in the CRM space riding on specific wavelets within the AI wave umbrella. Another emerging wavelet is augmented reality. When this becomes possible, AR-enabled CRM systems will allow salespeople in the field or at conferences to pull up customer records in real time without having to look up anything on their phones. Whether this will lead to customer delight or dystopia is anyone's guess right now. Finally, there is a massive global movement towards privacy. And because CRM systems are where consumer information is stored, this movement is creating an opportunity to build new CRMs that allow consumers to control the information that a business has on them. Summarizing our discussion on the history of CRM software, every time a new technology wave has emerged, it has created opportunities for startups to build new CRM software with new capabilities. And such technology waves are an unending process, which makes CRM software an evergreen opportunity for startups. But this discussion does not just apply to CRM software. It applies to most kinds of application software, from ERP systems to HR information systems, to supply chain management systems, to all sorts of collaboration software and much more. This is the reason why SaaS is an evergreen opportunity. If you have been thinking of ideas to start a SaaS startup, take an emerging technology wavelet and see what new capabilities would be possible in a category of software with this new wavelet. Because if you are correct and the wavelet does become a wave, it will carry you along to success. Reiterating one final point, it is not just technology waves that create new opportunities for SaaS startups. Other kinds of popular movements can also create similar opportunities. The privacy movement is one such example. Another example is legislation like GDPR that opens opportunities for startups to reimagine many kinds of software. Popular movements can also create entirely new markets for SaaS. For example, the adoption of Instagram and YouTube has created an entirely new kind of business, an influencer. And this business again needs specialized software to operate efficiently. Hence, we have seen hundreds of SaaS startups building software to be used specifically by influencers. Similarly, the crypto movement has created thousands of crypto projects, and a project can be thought of as a business that again needs specialized software to operate efficiently. Hence, we are now seeing the emergence of dozens of SaaS startups building software tools to be used by crypto project teams. And this can never end. This is why software is always evolving. Software is never finished, which makes SaaS an evergreen opportunity. It does not have a short time window. This means that timing the market is much less important for SaaS entrepreneurs than it is for entrepreneurs chasing other opportunities like internet aggregation, which we will discuss in the next course. Therefore, in a space like SaaS, all you need to succeed is vortex traversal, continuous learning, and being relentless. Hey there, I'm KJ Saxena, founder of Relentless VC. The video you just watched is part of the Venture Capital and Entrepreneurship Specialization, which is available absolutely for free on relentless.ventures. Go check it out. If you're a tech startup founder and want to raise money from us, you should apply on our website. Lastly, if you like this video, do subscribe and share it with your friends.